Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop quick tip. Today we've got a nice easy one, but a lot of people have asked about this. A lot of people come from Lightroom or other programs, and all of those programs have a built-in vignette feature that you can just click a button and then instantly put a vignette on your photo. In Photoshop, there is no such button or feature called vignette, okay? But it's not that hard to do in Photoshop, and it gives you all kinds of creativity that you don't have in Lightroom or other programs. So let me show you how easy it is to do a vignette. Okay, so here we've got a nice wedding photo here of a bride in a gown, okay? And it's an okay picture, but if you look at it, it's flat. It's flat lit, meaning the whole room is just lit evenly and not very appealing. And what we want to do is with a vignette, we want to have the subject be kind of like center stage. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to come up and use the radius tool here, and I'm just going to roughly draw out a oval. Okay, and about that, and don't worry about if it's not aligned right. Just simply click with the mouse and then drag it to where you want it to go. Okay, and so now we have the rough selection of where we want the vignette effect to go. We just gonna hit a levels adjustment layer, and you'll notice that it automatically took our selection and made a mask out of it. And so now I can just pull the levels from the left to the right, and I can darken as much or as little as I want to for the effect. Okay, so now you can see that we've got the effect, but we've got it in reversed, right? Normally you want to darken around the outside and lighten the middle, so we have to invert our mask. So hit Command or Control I, and you'll see now we have reversed it. Okay, we just simply reversed the mask so that the center is being lit and the corners are being darkened. But as you can see, everything is way too harsh to line the oval. Everything is just too abrupt. We need to feather that. And right in the thing is where we have the mask ability. We just click on the mask right up here, and we can feather that mask until we like the appearance. Okay. And again, doesn't hurt to turn around and to view your eyes, but you can see the effect is much, much nicer than what you're going to get in a Lightroom or other program. Okay. The worst thing you want is the ability to see, with harsh edges. Okay, it's the worst thing you want. So with our thing, we can turn around and click on the mask, and then we can feather it because we don't want this. Okay, and a lot of times that's what Lightroom and that only give you the ability to keep it right in the center. They don't give you the ability to move it around. Okay, we can actually take our mask and we can actually move our mask around, okay, to however we want it or reshape it. Okay, something you can't do in those other programs. So there you go. Feather it out to your liking. And I'm thinking that's pretty good right there. And let's do the before and after. Before, very flat lit, very even lighting, and before. And now we notice we have brought the attention to her in her wedding gown. So there you go. That's how you do vignettes in Photoshop. Until next week, you guys take care.